French fries. Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will make French fries. We have in France a lot of sort and a kind of cut of French fries. Today we will see one of them, the most famous one, like in all restaurants, pomme allumette. We have a lot of variety of potatoes in France as well. This one, I suppose it's agria, is fresh agria from new season. But anyway, you just need potatoes. You can do French fries with any potatoes. So you need this. You need, of course, a fry pan with a lot of oil, water, to be able to keep your potatoes, peeled potatoes, in water, in order that they will not become black. And today, so we will cut French fries allumette, 5 mm by 5 mm, with pomme allumette today, like in McDonald's, 5 mm by 5 mm. So what we need to do is to cut the potato. We cut the ash this way in order to have a stable potato. So we cut slice of 5 mm this way, 5 mm. And after, so you have a cut, you have a straight cut here, you have a straight cut here, so you can do this way and cut two in once this way, 5 mm, 5 mm, 5. We have here, as you see, nice allumette, all 5 mm, all completely the same size for the same cooking time. Immediately you put in the water in order to they will not become black first, and second, this will exit the potato starch, and this way they will not stick one to another when we will deep fry them. Okay, so at the moment all simple. So now our potatoes are all cut, and now we wash them in this water. Now water becomes a little bit white, it's all starch exit from the potatoes. And now we can put them, we can dry them in a towel, and they will be ready to cook. Voilà, we've dried them a little bit with towel like this. Here I have a special pot for deep fry. There is also electric deep fry machine. If you don't have this kind of device, so you just take a simple pot with oil and a skimmer, and this will do the job perfectly. The kind of oil you can put inside this pot can be sunflower oil, peanut oil, can be olive oil if you are in Spain, it can be white fat of beef, as we do in Belgium or in the north of France. Now we take our example, now our sample, we put it here, put in inside the oil. Oil is not ready yet, is not enough hot, because potato not come back on the surface and not make any bubbles, as you see. So the oil is not hot enough. So we heat up more the oil, and I let inside the samples. And after, usually I can hear the bubbles and what's happened on the deep fry pan, and I can go and see what is starting now. There are bubbles and potatoes start to come back to the surface, so the oil is quite ready. That is why we need these little cuts. We put one portion and a half, maximum 2 little portions in one time, and now we put on our deep fry. And now we see the oil is ready, there are bubbles. How much cooking time? For the first cooking time, you need to count around 4-5 minutes for a 5 mm pomme allumette. Usually French fries, you need around 4-5 minutes. If your oil is 140, 150 degrees, you have another kind of oil, another kind of potatoes, so all of this is you need to see and to understand. Just put and don't touch for 4 minutes. Now it's ready, all potatoes are on the surface, they come up on the surface, they are still white, they just start to be a little bit gold, but they are white and they are ready. They are soft inside, and they are completely ready. If you don't have this, so it's the moment to take your skimmer and put it here, this way. I will do this way. Oh. This we will leave for a while till the second cooking. All potatoes cool down, first cook and cool down. We are heating up our oil to 180 degrees. All is prepared where we will serve, and the salt, because we will need to salt them just after cooking, immediately after second cooking. It's very important for all deep fry things. Oil is ready, second cooking. Well, second cooking, just few seconds. The salt prepare, the dish prepare, and now fantastic moment. They come up, some make like puffy. It's very quick. Oh, that's all. Very nice potatoes. This is ready. We strain that little bit. Put it on the plate. We salt immediately with fleur de sel in my case, and we eat it immediately. Take care, it's hot. Oh, it's hot, but it's good. See you soon. Have a very nice day and bon appétit.